In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels effectively. Whether you're managing a team project, tracking personal tasks, or organizing your workflow, Trello labels are a simple but powerful tool to bring clarity and structure to your boards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and use labels to keep your tasks organized and your boards easy to navigate. So, let's dive right in and start making your Trello boards work smarter for you. First, open Trello in your browser and navigate to the board you want to organize. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're in the right place. Next, click on any card within the board to open it. Once the card is open, you'll notice a range of options on the right-hand side. Among them, locate the Labels option and click on it. Now, you can choose what to do with your labels. Select an existing label if it fits your needs, edit one by renaming it or changing its color, or create a new label from scratch. This flexibility allows you to customize your board exactly how you need it. When naming your labels, aim for clarity. Assign clear, descriptive names and meaningful colors. For example, you might want to use the color red to consistently represent urgent tasks across all your boards. Consistency is key here. It'll save you time and reduce confusion as you work. Avoid vague or generic label names. Instead, use specific terms that directly relate to your workflow. For instance, labels like support or design are much more helpful than something like team. Specificity will make it easier to know what each label represents at a glance. Once your labels are ready, apply them to the card by simply clicking the ones you want. Trello makes it easy to stack multiple labels on a single card, so feel free to use more than one if needed. This can help you indicate things like status, priority, type of task, or even the department responsible for it. After applying labels, you'll notice that the color tags appear on the front of the card. This is a great visual cue, making it easy to scan the board and quickly understand the status and focus of each card. To take your organization to the next level, use Trello's filter feature to focus on specific labels. Simply click the filter button at the top right of the board. From there, select the labels you want to see, and Trello will hide all the other cards. This is an incredibly useful feature for narrowing your view when you're working on specific tasks or projects. While labels are powerful, it's important to limit the number of labels you use. Too many can clutter your board and make it harder to interpret. Aim for balance, just enough labels to stay organized, but not so many that it becomes overwhelming. Consistency across boards is another key principle. By maintaining the same naming conventions and color choices on all your boards, you'll create a seamless experience when switching between projects. This reduces confusion and ensures you always know what each label represents. For even greater clarity, combine your labels with other Trello features like checklists, due dates, or assigned members. These additional details can help you and your team stay on top of tasks without missing a beat. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly review your labels. Over time, your workflow or priorities may change, and some labels might become outdated. Don't be afraid to rename or retire labels that no longer fit your system. Keeping your labels relevant ensures that your Trello boards remain effective and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.